The following presentation will cover the application for Pharmacist-Intern for the Texas State Board of Pharmacy. To be eligible for Pharmacist-Intern registration in the state of Texas, an applicant will be required to successfully complete the first professional year with a minimum of 30 credit hours of work towards a professional degree in pharmacy. The College of Pharmacy will complete this form and submit it to TSBP. The Texas Board of Pharmacy application process consists of completing the online intern application, printing the application receipt, which you will use as the cover sheet for mailing in your supplemental documents, and scheduling your fingerprint session to complete the fingerprint process, unless fingerprinted with a different application type for TSBP within the last 36 months. The following few slides are snapshots of TSBP's website in order to help you navigate to the application. Begin at www.pharmacy.texas.gov. Select the Apply Student Application link under Interns. Select the link for Online Application. Read thoroughly through the instructions and click the link Continue. Register for a secure online account or use the same username and password that you used for your technician application. If you have previously registered for an account and have forgotten your password, use the appropriate links for user ID or password retrieval as needed. Please note that it is best to use a user ID or email address that will remain accessible when you leave the school system. In the Quick Start menu, choose the Texas Board of Pharmacy. Then choose Intern and proceed through the application process by entering all information accurately. You must keep TSBP updated on your current mailing address and contact information at all times in order to be sure that you receive all necessary notifications. Failing to do so could delay the application process. Enter the date you enrolled in the College of Pharmacy and add your expected graduation date. Then select Yes to certify. During the application process, you will be prompted to establish a relationship with your College of Pharmacy. Select the Pharmacy School Code list to find the code for the College of Pharmacy at which you attend. Select Add to add the code. You will select I am the intern for type of relationship and registered schools for license type. Input the 3-digit code for the school license number and type it into the license number box. As part of the application process, you will be asked a series of questions regarding your background. Please read the questions carefully and answer the questions honestly. See TSBP website for further information regarding criminal history. The final steps for the online application process are to print out the application summary, which will be used as a cover sheet for submitting supplemental documents, keep a copy of the application summary for your records, and utilize the information provided via email auto-response to complete your fingerprint session. You will be required to mail in a copy of your Social Security card as part of the registration process. TSBP will review the registration application and supplemental documents. For applicants that have not completed application procedures, a notification of deficiency will be provided to your College of Pharmacy. If you are out of state, letters will be mailed to applicants. You will be sent information for fingerprint session provided via email auto-response message. Our state-approved vendor is Identigo Morphotrust. Hits on background will be referred to our enforcement division and require additional processing. And please take note, if there is any criminal history or disciplinary action reported from any state board, your application could require additional time for processing. Currently, our internal enforcement department requires 90 days before providing information concerning application status. 30 credit hour forms must be submitted only after you have successfully completed the first professional year with a minimum of 30 credit hours of work towards a professional degree in pharmacy. The College or School of Pharmacy will complete this form and submit it to TSBP. The intern card will be mailed to the address on file for the intern. The internship expires on the date printed on the intern card. The intern card will also expire if you are no longer enrolled in the College of Pharmacy or if you do not take or pass the NAPLEX or MPJE within the 6 calendar months after graduation. While working with a preceptor, the intern may perform any pharmacist duty except present yourself to the public as a pharmacist, sign a document required to be signed by a pharmacist, or independently supervise pharmacy technicians or pharmacy technician trainees. To see the rules concerning interns, go to www.pharmacy.texas.gov/rules. Once you are licensed, you will be able to view the information on the Texas Board of Pharmacy website. From the home page, select Verifications, then select Pharmacist Intern Search. Enter in your first and last name only, and when you have been approved for the registration, the information will be viewable here. Your Pharmacist Intern registration card will be mailed to the address on file. If you have moved or changed your mailing address, submit a written request to intern@pharmacy.texas.gov. If you changed your legal name, submit a written request and provide a current mailing address to TSBP with the fee along with a copy of the legal document that changed your name, like a marriage certificate or divorce decree. If you have lost or destroyed your intern card, submit a written request and explanation for the replacement with fee. Should you have any questions about the process and procedures for Pharmacist-Student Intern, you may send an email to intern@pharmacy.texas.gov or call 512-305-8006.